Are you following me? I will come with you. I is a major word. I must carry stress. Are you following me? Will does not need it. Come, that major verb must carry because the action is to come. Or you don't get my point. That's the idea. Now it says shall. Look at the way we put the sign here. On stress, stress. That's the symbol. Do you understand? But to make you understand it better, on stress, stress. I think this is one iambic phrase. Compare is a verb. And if you have a verb of 2 syllables, the stress falls on the right syllable. Compare. Is it not 2 iambic phrases? So to write a sonnet is not a small boy's business. You must know the words to use so that it will follow the rules. The only thing we have here, the only error I see here is this is a major, must need stress, but this does not need stress. This type is called trochaic foot. Trochaic foot is when we have a stress level followed by unstressed level. Are you following me now? Then we have this A does not need it. Summer is a noun. If you have noun of 2 syllables, the stress falls on the left, not on the right, unlike the other one. So this one now, the stress will fall on this. So if you cut this now, we have another iambic phrase. Are you seeing the way it's going? Then this part does not need stress, but this needs stress. So when they say a sonnet must have 5 iambic phrases, if they ask you your WAEC, the line above is made up of dash. A, iambic. B, trochaic. C, anapestic. D, dactylic. What do you think is the answer? What's the answer? The line above consists of A, iambic. B, trochaic. C, dactylic. D, anapestic. What's the answer? Iambic. Why? Because we have more of iambic. We have only 1 trochaic foot. Are you following me? The same thing, that's what you see. We'll be having more of iambic. Like this one. This one will be iambic. This one is okay, this one is up and down. That's how it will be going. Up and down. This one is up. So we have spondiac here. Spondiac foot has 2 stress syllables. 2 stress syllables. But that's not the main issue. We'll be talking about foot later on. Now this is iambic foot. Look at the sonnet. Sonnet is 10, 10, 10, 10 syllables. 5 iambic feet per line. Look at that. A sonnet is a poem of 14 iambic pentameter line. I've not mentioned, the only thing I've not explained here is pentameter. What is pentameter? Pentameter is used to, meter is used to describe the number of feet in a line or in a poem. Number of feet. You know, the foot is used to describe, that is, the words with either stress or unstressed syllables. You understand? You use foot to identify the types of words that we use to make up your line. For instance, look at this. If you want to count, determine the length of your lines. Don't say 1. If I ask you now, which one is longer? Which one is longer? We may get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words. You may choose the first one. You choose the first one. But that's wrong. The 2 of them are equal lines. Because they have 10 syllables each. Isn't it? Good. Alright. In that case now, we said iambic pentameter line. What is iambic pentameter? When a line of poetry is iambic monometer, that means it has 1 iambic foot. Are you following me? When a line of poetry is iambic diameter, that means it has 2 iambic feet. When a line of poetry is iambic triameter, that means it has 3 iambic feet. When a line of poetry is iambic tetrameter, that means it has 4 iambic feet. When a line of poetry is iambic pentameter, that means it has 5 iambic feet. Are you following me? When